So if the vectors a bar and b bar are non-collinear vectors, then the value of alpha for which the vectors u bar and v bar are collinear. Okay, these two vectors are collinear, but these two are non-collinear. Okay, take care. Solution. The vector u bar is collinear with the vector v bar a. Therefore, here u bar is equal to lambda into the vector v bar a. So u bar is alpha minus 2 into the vector a bar plus v bar is equal to lambda into v bar is this one here, 2 plus 3 alpha into the vector a bar minus of 3 into the vector b bar a. Take this lambda inside here. So alpha minus 2 into the vector a bar plus the vector b bar is equal to, so lambda into 2 plus 3 alpha into a bar minus of 3 lambda into the vector b bar here. Okay, direct you can write this step here. Okay, it is not necessary to write these two steps here because you know and two vectors are collinear and this condition satisfied. So directly write this step only. Now equating a bar and b bar coefficients here. Left hand side a bar coefficient alpha minus 2. Right hand side a bar coefficient is this one here. Equate it here. Therefore alpha minus 2 is equal to lambda into bracket 2 plus 3 into alpha here. Take result number 1 here. And here beta b bar coefficient is 1. 1 is equal to, here b bar coefficient is minus of 3 lambda. Minus of 3 lambda. These are coefficients of b bar. These are coefficients of a bar. Equate it here. Then take minus 3 this side here. So minus of 1 upon 3 is equal to lambda. Therefore lambda value is minus 1 by 3. So use here. Therefore 1 becomes, equation 1 becomes alpha minus 2 is equal to lambda value is minus 1 by 3. Minus of 1 by 3 into 2 plus 3 into alpha. Take 3 this side. 3 alpha. So write here 3 alpha minus of 3 2s are 6 here. That is equal to, take minus inside here, minus 2 minus 3 alpha. Minus 2 minus of 3 alpha. Take minus 3 alpha this side here, 3 alpha plus 3 alpha is 6 alpha. Take minus 6 right hand side here, plus 6 minus 2 becomes plus 4 here. Therefore alpha is equal to 4 by 6 here. So obviously it is 2 upon 3. So B is the answer. 2 upon 3. So in this case, if the vectors 3i minus 4j minus k, 2i plus 3j minus 6k represent the diagonals of a rhombus, then the length of the side of rhombus is what here? Okay. So in the rhombus, length of each side equal and the diagonals are not equal here. Okay. Here all these sides are equal. Each length is equal here. Okay. Then suppose if you take this vector a bar here, then this is also a bar. The vector a bar. And if this is the vector b bar here, then this is also the vector b bar. Okay. Then AC is the one diagonal here. And BD is one more diagonal here. So according to triangle law of vector addition here, AB plus BC is equal to AC. According to the triangle of vector addition, AB plus BC is equal to the vector ACF. So similarly, AB plus BD is equal to ADF. AB plus BD is equal to AD according to the vector law of addition here. Then take AB right hand side here. BD is equal to, so AD minus of the vector AB. Here these are the diagonals here. So the vector AC bar is a 3i minus 4j minus k, and the vector BD here. The vector BD is a 2i plus 3j minus 6k. These are the diagonals of a rhombus here. So AC is this vector, so use here. And AB plus BC. AB is a bar, BC is a B bar here. So A bar plus B bar. A bar plus B bar is equal to, so 3i minus 4j minus k. And BD is this vector here. AD minus AB. AD. Here AD is this vector B bar, and AB is that. AB is equal to A bar. So B bar minus A bar. So B bar minus of the vector A bar is equal to, so 2i plus 3j minus of 6k. Take this one as equation number 1 here, and this one as equation number 2. Then adding 1 and 2 here. So adding 1 and 2 here, plus and minus a cancels here. B plus B becomes a 2b is equal to 3i plus 2i becomes a 5i here, minus 4 plus 3 minus of j minus k minus 6k minus of 7k minus 7k. Then take the two right hand side here. The vector B bar is equal to 1 upon 2 into, so 5i minus j minus of k. Then find its modulus here. Modulus of B bar is equal to 1 by 2 is a constant here. Then root of 5 square is a 25, and minus 1 square is a plus 1, minus 7 square is a 49 here. Therefore this is equal to 1 upon 2 here. Then the root of 49 plus 1, 50 plus 25, 75, root of 75. So 1 upon 2 into root of 25 into 3, 25 into 3. Therefore 5 root 3 divided by 2. So length of each side is 5 root 3 divided by 2. So C answer is. If the vectors A bar, B bar, C bar are non-zero vectors such that A bar dot B bar equal to A bar dot C bar, then which statement is trivial? Four options are there. So take here A bar dot B bar is equal to A bar dot of C bar here. Take this term left hand side here. A bar dot B bar minus of A bar dot of C bar is equal to 0. Then A bar is the common factor here. So write A bar outside. Dot of B bar minus of the vector C bar is equal to 0. Here dot product is a 0 here. If a dot product is 0, then obviously they are perpendicular here. So A bar perpendicular to B bar minus of C bar. Otherwise, if dot product is a 0, either this is 0 or this is 0. But here A bar is a non-zero vector. A bar is non-zero vector, then B bar minus C bar must be 0. So B bar minus of C bar is equal to 0 because here A bar is a non-zero vector here. They are already given here. Two cases arises here. If dot product is 0, then they are perpendicular. Otherwise, either A bar 0 or B bar minus C bar 0. But A bar cannot be 0, they are already given here. Hence, B bar minus C bar equal to 0. Take minus C bar right hand side here. Hence B bar is equal to C bar here. Therefore, third option is correct here. B bar equal to C bar or A bar perpendicular to B bar minus C bar here. So here theta is the angle between the two unit vectors A bar and B bar. Then cos theta by 2 is equal to what here? So here A bar is the unit vector here, and B bar is also a unit vector. So then moduli 1 here. Then modulus of A bar plus B bar whole square is equal to modulus of A bar square plus modulus of A bar minus B bar square, modulus of B bar square, then plus 2 into A bar dot of B bar. Then this equal to modulus of A bar square, then plus modulus of B bar square plus 2 into. Use the definition of dot product here. A bar dot B bar is the modulus of A bar into modulus of B bar into cos of theta. These are unit vectors here. Therefore, this becomes 1 here. This becomes 1, and this is 1. This is also 1 here. 2 into 1 into 1 becomes 2 into cos of theta becomes 2 cos of theta. Therefore, 1 plus 1 becomes 2 plus 2 into cos of theta. Then 2 common factor here. Then 1 plus cos of theta here. And you know the formula here. 1 plus cos theta is 2 into cos square theta divided by 2. 2 into 2 becomes 4. Take left hand side here. 1 upon 4 into modulus of A bar plus B bar. Cos square is equal to, so cos square theta by 2. Take a square this side here. So this becomes 1 by 2. Cos of theta by 2. 1 by 2 into modulus of A bar plus B bar. Okay. Cos theta by 2 equal to 1 by 2 modulus of A bar plus B bar. So B is the answer here. If the moduli of A bar and B bar are equal and angle between them is 120 degree and A bar dot B bar is a minus 8, then modulus of A bar equal to what here? Here they given they are having equal moduli here. Hence modulus of A bar equal to modulus of B bar, and angle between A bar and B bar is 120 degree here. So theta is equal to 120 degree. And also they given A bar dot of B bar is equal to minus of 8 here. A bar dot B bar is modulus of A bar into modulus of B bar here. Modulus of B bar into cos of theta. Theta is 120 degree here. Cos of 120 degree is equal to minus 18. Hence the modulus of A bar and the modulus of B bar is equal to modulus of A bar here. Yes, right here modulus of A bar cos of 180 minus of 60 degree is equal to minus 8 here. Modulus of A bar into modulus of A bar, modulus of A bar square, and 180 minus 60 comes under second quadrant here. Second quadrant cos negative minus of cos 60 degree here is equal to minus 8. Minus this minus becomes a plus here. Yes, modulus of A bar square is equal to 1 upon 2 is equal to 8 here. Then take it to right hand side here. Modulus of A bar square is equal to 16. Hence modulus of A bar is equal to 4 here. Therefore C is the answer here, plus 4. So they give now the vector A bar, B bar and C bar, and I is the unit vector in the direction of x direction here, in x direction, Then a bar minus 2b bar plus 3 into c bar dot I is equal to what here? So you know that the property of dot property I dot of I is equal to 1 here. J dot of j is equal to 1. K dot of k is equal to 1 here. Okay. And I dot j is equal to j dot of I is equal to 0. Then j dot of k is equal to k dot of j is equal to 0. Then k dot of I is equal to I dot of k is equal to 0. Therefore, we are using this property here. So a bar is this vector here. So a bar 1 minus 1 2 here. Then the b bar minus 2 3 5 here. And the vector c bar, so 2 minus 2 and 4 here. Okay. Then a bar minus of 2b bar plus 3 into c bar dot of I is equal to. Here, if you take z and k terms here, these are coefficients of z and k, then obviously I dot j becomes what is 0 and I dot k is also 0. Therefore, take only I coefficient here. So 1, then minus 2 here, then plus 2 here. Okay. And here multiply 2 here, that is important here. So 1 here, minus of 2 into this minus 2 here. Then 3 into this 2, 3 into 2. Do not take y and z coefficients here. Only take x coefficient. Means x coordinate here. Take only x coordinates here. These are coefficients of I. Y and z terms are coefficients of z and k. But here dot product here, dot of I. Therefore, that becomes 0. So this equal to 1 plus 4 plus 6 here is equal to 11. So this is the answer. Actually, you have to write like this here. A bar minus 2b bar plus 3 into the vector c bar is equal to a bar is this one here. So I minus j plus 2k minus of 2 into b bar is this one here. Minus of 2i plus 3j plus 5k. Then 3 into c bar. So 3 into the vector c bar is 2i minus 2j plus 4k. Therefore, this is equal to, take only I coefficient is 1. 2 2s are 4 here, minus 2 minus plus 4, and 3 2s are 6 plus 6 into I, then plus, then minus 1 here, then 3 2s are 6 here, minus of 6, 3 2s are 6 minus 6 into j here, then plus 2, so right here 2 5s are 10 here, minus of 10, 3 4s are 12 plus 12 into k. Hence this becomes 11i minus 6 minus 12 minus 1 minus 13 here. Minus of 13 is j, and 12 minus 10 is 2, 2 plus 2 becomes 4 plus 4k. Then obviously this a bar minus 2b bar plus 3c bar equal to this one. Hence a bar minus of 2 into b bar plus 3 into the vector c bar dot of I is equal to 11i minus 13j plus 4k dot of I. Hence I dot I becomes 1 here, so it gives 11. J dot of I becomes 0, this becomes 0 here. K dot I is 0, so it becomes 0. Therefore, the answer is 11 here. Therefore, take only x coordinate here. X coordinates are coefficients of I. Therefore, remaining term just leave it here. So simplify like this, you get the answer.